Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what I've got in my Glossybox September 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and now I'm doing also advent calendar lineup. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. Yes, let's start. Let's unbox our Glossybox for this month. If you're new to Glossybox, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, and you will receive 5 to 6 beauty products from makeup to skincare. And if you are interested to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will receive your box for only £10, including the shipping fee. So yes, let's open it. So this month box is their usual box, which is the pink box. It says Glossybox in here. I really love this box. I kept few of these to storage my items because they are very sturdy. So yes, this is their usual box. When you open it, we have the ribbon, and then we have also the booklet. So this month theme is the pure relaxation. Here we go. This is the leaflet, and I really love this month theme because I really need right now some relaxation, so spa. I was really excited for this month theme. And then at the back we have, so for October sneak peek, we have next month we can wait to unleash our alter egos with our magical masquerade. Special dual design glossy box. Want to join us? Well, we think the Josephine Cosmetics Lip Power liquid lipstick you will find in this edit is ideal for those wanting to embrace mysterious, alluring beauty. Luxurious, vibrant, and bold, and worth £20. What more could you want? So yes, this is the sneak peek for next month. And then we have the usual pink tissue paper with the stickers, Glossybox, and then we have products inside. Let's see each one, lovelies. So the first one we have, and this one, the sneak peek of this month, is this from Spot to You. It's a brush. So this is the dual facial cleansing brush, and this is a full size. Let's see inside. In one part you have this bristle, very soft one. Oh, this is so nice. And then you have also this kind of part here. So I hope you can see it, lovelies. So this one, it says this dual-headed multi-use brush is the only at-home pamper tool you need, with an exfoliating brush on one side and an ultra soft fine bristle brush on the other side. This cleansing brush helps to cleanse pores and remove makeup and mask. It also gently massages your face at the same time, giving you that post-facial feeling. Wow. And this one, it's rated for £16.49. So yeah, this is the first product. Can't wait to try this. As I said in my previous video, that I can't wait to try this one. And then the next one we have, and this is the from Fix and Rouge. This is a full size. This is the Wonder Love Clarity. Here we go. And this one, it's 30 ml. I hope you can see it, lovelies. And inside we have, wow, the packaging is so gorgeous. Here we go. And as I said, this is a full size. It's retail for £42. Wow. And it says a sublime lightweight and micro refining serum. These drops will help uncover your skin natural clarity. This radiance inducing and pore refining formula gently exfoliates and unclogs pores, while also ensuring your complexion is clear and free of breakouts and blackheads. Your skin will have never felt so soft and refreshed. Wow. It says Glow Sublime Micro Refining Serum, designed to uncover skin natural clarity, revitalize, lightweight radiance inducing and pore refining formulation, smooth gentle and gratifying exfoliation action helps refine and for enhanced complexion and hydrate and rich hydrating vitamin aloe vera and algae formula. Let's try it, lovelies. It has the drop. I can't describe the smell, but it smells like clean, fresh. It has like a glitter in it, like green glitter. It has those micro glitter in. Here we go. And once you blend, it has those small bits to exfoliate. Yes, I don't know what's this smell. It reminds me of something baby product, but yes, it smells nice. It smells really nice and feels really soft. I love that it feels really soft. And yeah, I think this will be hydrating one because I feel my hands very hydrated right now. Yes, here we go. I don't know if you can even see it. It doesn't have overpowering smell. Can't wait to try this one. And I tried few Fix and Rouge products. They are really good. So yes, and this is a full size. And if I didn't say it, this one is retail for 42 pounds. And then the next one we have another full size, and this is from Vita Mask Pearl Sheet Mask. This is the brightening one, and this is a Korean technology. Here we go. This is so cute. And if you follow me for a while, you know that I love Korean face mask and Vita Mask. I tried few products from this brand, few sheet masks from this brand, and this is really good. And it says a moisturizing Korean face mask made with extract of pearl to brighten your skin. So yes, and this is a full size, as I said, and it's rated for £4.99, and it says boost dull and tired skin with this radiance evoking sheet mask combining chamomile, centella, and pearl powder. This mask and its skin loving serum intensely moisturizes whilst also providing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory protection that shields against redness and brightens luster skin. The next one we have here, and this is from Sebamed. This is the antibacterial cleansing foam for impure and acne prone skin. I usually give this one to my husband because he does like this kind of cleanser. And this one, it's a full size too. It's rated for £7.99, and it says here, effectively penetrating your pores, this antibacterial foam offers deep pore cleansing to leave your skin feeling clean. With a pH value of 5.5, it also supports and protects the natural barrier function of your skin's acid mantle. For skin that's smooth and hydrated, job done. So the next product that I will show you, lovelies, it's only for the new subscribers because this product we received before. I think it was around November or February. I am not 100% sure, but yeah, we received this product before. So this product is only for new subscribers, and this is from Emco Beauty Chicken Lip Tint, blendable quick drying natural flash of color in the shade Flamingo Pink. There we go. I'm really sorry if it's kind of dirty because I brought this one on my holiday in camping because it's easy to use, lovelies. When you're like going out and you don't want to bring like a powder blush with the brush, just bring this one and I just apply this one, and this product, lovelies, it stay all day. I really do like it. My mom used this one too. She loves this one too. So yes, it applied it a lot, but once you blend it, it's really like this. I just applied too much product, but yeah, it's like a subtle rosy shade and perfect for every day. Yes, I do really love this one. So if you're a new subscriber, you will receive this product and you will enjoy it because I really do like this one. So yes, this is a full size and it's retail for £12, and it says discover double duty beauty for a rosy pout and flushed cheeks. Yes, you can use this one on your lips too. And this one, it says lips and cheek tint perfectly blurs the lines between a dewy gloss and pigmented stain, making it an essential multitasking product. Blend in to give your cheeks a youthful luminous glow and your lips a natural pop of buildable colors. So yes, I know this kind of tiny product, but it will last you a lot because you just need a tiny of this product to blend on your cheeks. So yes, I really do like this one. So the next one we have, it's a treat, lovelies. I wasn't expect to be like this. I really thought it will be like a sample size. This is from Judith Lieber. I really hope I pronounce it properly. If not, I'm really sorry. And this is the More is More. It's a perfume. Oh, I'm really sorry, lovelies, if I blind you. But yeah, it's a perfume. And I wasn't expecting it will be like this. I already ruined the box, as always. And yeah, you have 3 perfume samples inside. You have all florally scent. The packaging is so chic. So you have, one is Zest. So yeah, it has more like citrus florally scent. Yeah, it says citrus floral woody scent. It smells nice. I love the scent. And the receive is the floral one, which is woody white floral. I prefer more this one here. So it smells really nice. And then we have the gourmand, and this is the rich and gourmand. This one smells nice too. Yes, these are 3 sample sizes. And to be honest, lovelies, as I said, if you follow me for a while, you know that I love receiving this kind of sample size perfume, because I think they are more concentrated, so the smell lasts throughout the day, and they are really easy to bring with you everywhere. Just pop in your handbag. So yes, I wasn't expecting it will be like this packaging chic. I was expecting just the paper with the sample size, but yes, so nice. And this one, extra treat. This is 4.3 ml worth £9. The full size, which is 75 ml, it's retail for £115, so it's quite expensive. And it says, introducing a new way to enjoy perfume featuring 3 iconic scents you can wear alone or blended together for a delicious first impression. Spritz more gourmand, zest it up, and more zest, or glow up your fragrance collection with the ultimate and indulgent scent, more floral. Here we go. And then the last product, another extra treat here, we have a Lindor, which is one of my favorite, and I'm really glad that they put the original one, because we all received the minty orangey one, but I love the red one. So yes, love this one. Thank you, Glossybox. So yes, that's all, lovelies. Let's do first a recap. So you will receive an extra treat, which is a chocolate one, and then we have another extra treat from Judith Lieber for her, More is More, 3 sample sizes of your perfume, so you don't have only one, but you have all 3 perfume here. And then you have a full size spot to you, which is the dual facial cleansing brush. You will receive Figs and Rouge full size, the Wonder Love Clarity. I love this one. My hands feels really soft right now. And then you have a full size mask from Vita Mask Pearl Sheet Mask, a Korean face mask. So yes, glad that we have in here. And then you will receive a full size Sevamed antibacterial cleansing foam. And then for new subscribers, you will receive chicken lip tint from Emco Beauty. So yes, that's all for this month. And you lovelies, what do you think of this month glossy box? Have you already received it? Are you waiting for this month box? Are you excited to receive it? Let me know in the comment below. And if you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you'll receive this box for only £10. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.